Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Roxanne and today I have a fake split tutorial that is perfect for beginners or those people that are just not flexible at all. Don't worry, I've got you. I'm going to show you the tips and tricks on how to look like a flexible queen. I thought it would be nice if I do this tutorial because there were so many already on YouTube, but the people that are giving them are people that are not really beginners and they're already quite flexible, and I thought it would be nice if it comes from someone who is very much early in their flexibility journey, like myself, and that can't do like the real split, for example. But I can sure as hell make a fake split look like a real one. And I'm going to show you how I do that. So first, you want to make sure that you are warm. Like I just recorded one of my twerkouts, so I'm already quite warm to be honest. But you want to just like jog around for a bit, do some star jumps, you know, all of that. And then we'll get into some stretches, because you need to stretch. If you want to get even close to looking like a fake split, you need to stretch. And then yeah, we'll get into it. Be a bit warm, so we're going to get into the stretches that are focused on the leg area, opening the hips and extending the legs just so your fake split looks as flat as possible. Okay, we're going to start with just the feet a bit wide. We're going to take it down and you're going to bend the knees and straighten and again bend and straighten. Try to keep the feet in the same place and again. Straighten. Last one. Straighten. Bring it up, we're going to a flat back. On the right. Hold it there. Take it down. So you want your legs to touch your knee. That's what I do. And try to keep the back straight, try not to round the back too much, nice and straight. And then in the middle, try and place the palms flat on the ground and bend the elbows. And to the left. Flat back again. And we're going to take the feet, bend over, and we're just going to swing. So you're going to go on the tips of your toes and the heels. Just keep this going nice and easy. Bend the front foot. Hold it here. You really feel it in your hammies. Try to bring your chest further down. And extend the foot in front and we're going to a lunge. Bring your body up. Now for this one, you want to make sure your knee is aligned with the ankle. And just hold it nice and strong. Try to lift the back knee up and bring the hips down. So you really get like a nice flat line in the hips. And take it down on the knee, further extend. And straighten the front leg, bring the chest in. And we're going to keep the foot pointed. And now flex the front foot. And we're going to open the foot out to the side and come forward. Just over here. hips opening nice and strong. And we're going to bring it up again. Return that front foot to the center. We're going to take the right hand, take it all the way around, got my balance, and we're going to lift the back foot. Yeah, nice and slow. And really try to keep pushing the hips down as well, and you'll notice that you'll further the stretch even more. And 5, 6, 7, 8, release. Bring it back. We're going to stand up, and we're going to switch. Come back to the middle, other side, and we're going to do the same. So swing the feet, so on the heels and toes. Yeah, keep it going. And then we're going to hold, flexing the front foot. And then we go down into a lunge. Same thing, make sure that knees in line with the ankle. Hips down, back and up. And take it down. Really feel it in the hips. And we're going to straighten that front leg, keep it pointed, chest down. And flex the front foot. Bring it to the front. Open the toe out to the side and come to the front. You can keep it up here, or if you wish, bring it down, elbows on the ground to extend and stretch. Bring it up slow. Return the foot to the center. Right hand down, take it up on the ground, grab the foot, and just hold it here. Don't forget to breathe as well, guys. And release. Okay, so now I'm going to take my front foot and bend it in front of me for a pigeon. Bending. If you're a bit more flexible, you can do it at a 90-degree angle. I'm not, so I'm keep it here. Keep it just up. Then we're going to slide it down. Bring it up. Take that left hand and grab the back foot. Now here you might notice that you can grab it a bit more deeply. I like to grab with my elbow to really push it in, but you can just stay with your hand here. It's fine. And release. We're going to open out to the side, swap the legs here. So now I'm just going to rotate my hips over to the other side for the pigeon. Down, if you wish. And bring it up. Grab the back leg. Okay, and release. We're going to open out. Going to go to the straddle position. Just push the hips forward a bit. Forward and back. Just open them up. Forwards. bring your hands up. This is the last stretch we're gonna do. And take them down on one side. And open out your outward hand. Bring the front one down so the chest is open. Take it over. Really important here that your chest is open and that you're not like trying so hard to touch your foot because you won't get the most out of the stretch. Open the chest out. And come in the middle. Hands up. Inhale, take it down. And open it outside and out. This one comes down. Okay, then we're going to take it down for a second here. So, really important here, when your belly buttons kind of touch the ground. So you don't want to round down, really push the hips forward and extend. Now this one is very important to breathe, yeah? So you're going to breathe in and exhale, sink further. You can, if you're feeling comfortable, bring the elbows down. Inhale again, exhale. Last inhale, make it count. And extend. I'm going to hold it for a little bit longer than usual. Okay, bring it up nice and slow. Shake the legs. Just release any tension. Oh my god, okay. Bring it up. Keep your hands down. I'm gonna send, bring it up. And bring it up slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Okay guys, I hope you're feeling nice and warm and nice and loose and stretched out. So let's get into our fake split. So firstly, you need to determine what side, what leg is your more dominant leg. So which one is more flexible than the other. For me, my left leg is more flexible in front and my right leg is more flexible behind. Other way around is a bit struggly, so today I'm going to show you with the left leading leg. For a real split, I can show you, it's not going to be flat, but I can show you. We're going to come down in the middle like so. So your hips should be facing the front, everything is nice and flat in the middle. What we are going to do is something completely different. We are going to send our feet behind us in this kind of triangle position. So I'm going to show you from the side so you can really see the angle of my feet. So I'm going to come and bring my hands down on the ground, yeah? So I already said my left leg is going to be the one that goes in front and my right leg is going to be the one that goes behind. So I'm going to prepare my feet to slide back. So I'm going to come on my toes on the right side. And I'm going to slide it back behind me, like so. So here you can really see that I am not flat in my splits, but that my right thigh is touching the ground, like the front part. And here is really the side part of my leg. And what's important when you do your fake split is not that you are nice and low, you have a gap here. See this gap? I want to bring it to the front, keep the hips nice and flat on the ground. Now you're probably like, what is she doing? That doesn't look a fake split. I'm going to show you from behind how that looks, and then you'll realize. So, same thing. Hands are going to go on the ground. I'm going to prepare my back foot to slide down, bring my hips down to the ground, and you see how nice and flat and flexy that looks? It looks great. Now, to get out of it, I forgot to mention, I'm going to take my front leg, slide it back to match my back leg, and then I bring it up to come up nice and safely. And that is it, pretty much. So, I'll show you again. I'm going to take my hands down, slide my feet behind me, head up, and yes. And this is how you can make yourself look flexible without being flexible. And I'm just slide it back. And we're done. So, I hope those tips really helped you. What's really important for the fake split is that you keep stretching and the wider and wider you'll get, and then you can do your real splits. So, yeah, thank you for tuning in, and I hope you liked it. I'll see you next time.